Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
Bailey, are you sad? No? That's not a whisper, you have to whisper. Good job, whisper. Whisper. Good job.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
Your mom looks like a dog.
Sugar dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
You don't jump on my couch.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Tank, y'all ready to take a bath?